Hello everyone, friends. This is part 2 of my series of videos explaining about what does it require to change the world or heal the humanity. Friends, if you want to start something new, you must first put an end to the old. If you want a changed world without any suffering, you must first realize what are the causes of your suffering. What are the reasons which needs to be changed? And then the second step is understanding how it should be changed. So friends, let us first try to understand the structure of our present world. Friends, the world which we are living in is not a real world. It is a dream in which we are living. The real world is non-physical spirit world. This spirit world is very joyful, magnificent, and without any imperfection in it. This spirit world is our soul's real home where it belongs forever. But in between all the joy and perfection of the spirit world, our soul knows its magnificence only theoretically. It doesn't come to know its magnificence experimentally because there is no contrast to joy and perfection over there. Our soul get very much used to all the joy and perfection of the spirit world. Hence, our soul yearns to know its magnificence experimentally. Therefore, God created this illusionary dream world which we know as our planet Earth. In this illusionary dream world, there is a contrast for everything. For every good thing, there is an opposite bad thing. Like for love, there is an opposite called hatred. For wealth, there is an opposite called poverty. For good health, there is an opposite called illness. For appreciation, there is an opposite called criticism. For enjoyment, there is an opposite called boredom. And there are a lot more examples of big and small opposites present in this world. These opposites helps the soul to get awakened, realize its magnificence, to know experimentally itself as God, to get expanded, and much more. To know more about the reasons why God created suffering in this world, please read my book Divine Challenges, which is available on Amazon for sale. In this book, you can learn more about these concepts in detail. So, when our soul takes birth on this planet Earth in a human form, it forgets everything about the spirit world and about its soul's perfection. This gives soul an opportunity to recreate itself from the scratch. Our human form live its life in a forgotten state, for unknown about everything about its magnificence and the perfection of the spirit world. Our mind observes all the bad opposites in this illusionary dream world and consider it to be very real. Our mind starts believing in scarcity, poverty, evilness, hatred, attack, and many more bad opposites. Our mind gets very much trained to observe all the people, situation, and things around it and start judging them as good or bad. We make definitions of right and wrong. These judgment and definition of right and wrong are different for different people. Different people, according to their different life experiences, develop different concepts of right and wrong. Now, this creates a diversity among people. People are not only believing in all the wrong and bad opposites, but they are also in disagreement with their fellow people. As we all know that different people lives in different environment, resources and living standard. Therefore, different people have different needs and desires. Majority of time, people form their beliefs and opinion in whatever way serves their needs and desires. People make their beliefs and opinions not on the basis of plain facts but on the basis of assumptions, interpretation and influence from people. This makes their belief system full of misinterpretation and poor in judgment. So that's how we see that as our mind observes everything around it in this illusionary world, which has opposites, our mind gets trained to judge everything around us on a level of opposites. We become very judgmental and most of the time poor in our judgment with an inclination towards our needs. Since childhood, we have been trained that we have to behave in the right way, do the right thing in order to get approval. This approval will make it easier for us to get cooperation of people. This approval will make our survival easier. Now, along with doing all the right thing, we have to guard ourselves against all the wrong and bad things. Wrong things will bring hardship in our lives. Human beings live their life continuously guarding themselves against all the bad things of the outer world and try hard to form accurate judgment on the basis of right and wrong. But as these judgments are different for different people according to their needs, desires, and convenience, they are unable to live in harmony with each other. Their survival depends upon self-defense, guarding themselves against all the opposites of the outer world and psychological opposites from people. Friends, you all know this mechanism of society very well. I just explained it in spiritual terms, in a terminology of opposites, because I have to lay emphasis that our present society is working on a level of opposites. Since we guard ourselves against all the opposites and the opposite as wrong thinking is also present in us, we are never able to experience this world as a perfect place. So the root cause of our misery is that we are living in a world of opposites and functioning on a level of opposites. So friends, in this video we learned what is the present structure of our world and what is the root cause of our misery. Please spend time to contemplate over it. Please read my book Divine Challenges if you want to know more about these concepts.